That is because you literally get to go behind the curtain with Slim. So this is not something that Slim really has ever done before. So this is a new workshop series. And what you get to have is an opportunity to observe Slim in action and listen to his thought process. That's really the key, is the thought process. So what you typically see is a finished chart product. Slim goes through 56 charts every single multiple times a week, but on Tuesdays he starts the process over again. And typically our members would see just the finished product, but behind the curtain means that he's actually going to do the analysis in front of you, and he's going to be thinking out loud instead of just in his own head, and you get to hear that, and then you get to get the recorded version of this as well. So that's what really makes this unique, is that you get to listen and hear that thought process from a 50-year trader and cycle analysis pioneer. It's very excited for that. It lasts typically 3 hours, and Slim covers just an amazing number of markets. And even if you don't trade these markets, the understanding that you will gather from a technical analysis and cycle analysis perspective should be game changing for you. So you'll get to hear him walk through the weekly and daily charts around energy futures, FX, precious metals, crypto, treasury, stock indexes, VIX, grains, and softs. All right, Slim, back to you.
All right, great. That's fantastic. And the one thing more that I want to say about that is that, each time I try to do something a little bit special, and this time I'm going to start it out by taking kind of a step by step from the blank canvas to showing how I find the significant troughs, putting in the cycle brackets, and taking it kind of step by step in one of the markets to be able to show how I do that before I actually get into the individual charts. So I think that's real valuable because I do then essentially a kind of a mini workshop, like a cycle analysis workshop, that really will help you understand how I take this approach and how the whole team does on a really a step by step basis.